56 was the pilot. The rollout pushed further, and for 2 weeks now, the corridor has averaged near 32 minutes. The dangerous part starts today, keeping it. This is LeanProjax in Action, Healthcare, Episode 8, Hold the Line. Averages can hide a drift, so the control phase speaks in control charts. New chart. Individuals and moving range, IMR, because we track one number per day. In Go, the 14 daily means from the rollout. Save. And the chart draws its own law. Center line, 31.8. Upper limit, 36.04. Day 10 pokes above it, 36.5, and the point turns red. The chart caught it the same morning, and below, the moving range shows the jump that caused it. No opinions, just limits, and a flag the instant the line breaks. Charts need owners, so the next artifact is the control plan. One table that says what we watch, how, and who moves when it slips. First, row, the daily mean itself. Ceiling 35, target 30, read from the EHR every morning at 8, owned by Rossi. Out of control? Trigger the response plan. Second, the habit that made the gains. Discharge orders by 90% of wards or better, audited daily by the ward leads. Third, the board that no longer lies. Scan to clear, 100% of bays checked every shift by housekeeping. 3 rows, 3 owners, nothing left to memory. When the chart flags a day, nobody should improvise. That is the response plan. Rule 1. Signal a daily mean above the upper control limit. 1 day is enough. Immediate action, a same-day huddle, and check the 11 a.m. order compliance first, because that is the habit that slips. Owner, Rossi. Escalation if it repeats. Rule 2. 2 days above 35. The float nurse slot reopens, the bedboard gets audited, and Dr. Chen calls the ward leads together. Nobody debates what to do at 5 p.m. on a bad day. It is already written. The gains live in 3 habits, so the habits become an SOP. Step 1. The 10:30 checklist call. The charge nurse reaches every ward and confirms each planned discharge has an order in motion. Acceptance. All wards reached by 10:45. Step 2. Orders in by 11. Signed on the morning round, not after lunch. 90% timestamp before 11. Step 3. Scan to clear. The board only turns green on a bedside scan. 0 stale flags. 3 steps, each with a pass-fail line. A new nurse could run this corridor from 1 page. Standards decay quietly, which is why the last tool is a weekly audit checklist. Question 1. Were all discharge orders in by 11 today? The evidence lives in the timestamp report. Question 2. Any bay flagged unscanned for more than 20 minutes? 3. Was the float slot actually staffed this afternoon? And today's answers go straight in. Orders, pass. Float slot, pass. The flag question stays open until the board history is pulled. 10 minutes a week, on the floor against the same 3 questions. That is what holding the line actually looks like. 31.8 held for 2 weeks. 1 red dot caught the same morning, and every habit written down with an owner. The line holds. 94 to 32, and the system now defends itself. 1 episode left. The board, the benefits, the survey day. 77 days on the clock. Cedar Gate is ready early. See you in the corridor.